Most people think an EV only takes power, but last night I did the complete opposite. I used our RT3 BYD to charge our home batteries. But before that can happen, a couple of other things had to happen first. So Go Solar came out, they upgrade the system. It was an 8 kilowatt system, now it went to a 12 kilowatt inverter. And then also on the battery side, we added a third battery. So we had the two Hubbles, we had to add two. And then Lawrence and his team came out and they did the V2L to inverter for us. There's a circuit breaker. And even Henry got into the action as well, helping to find the best suitable place for the 3-point plug that's going to connect to the circuit breaker. So it was a fun couple of days, a fun couple of weeks, getting everything ready, getting to the final almost product. Okay, of course, we need to test the system as well, right? So let's do this. It's 27%, 0 kilowatt hour currently pulled from the car, and it is now 7:30 or 8:30 on the inverter. I'm going to put it on. Switching on, and hopefully it's going to start automatically. It's going to switch over, I think. It's on at the circuit breaker, finding its way to the inverter. Unfortunately, the switchover is quite hard. It's quite tippy, but it does work. And there she goes. So let's say 8:30, pulling, well, it's set to 2 kilowatt on the inverter. And hopefully you can do a maths in an hour's time or so and see what was given by the BYD, because taken was 2 kilowatts. Fun experiment. Just showing the Atto 3 acting as a generator basically. There's the flow, 2 kilowatt going into the inverter and distributing it to the battery a little bit on the left hand side, distributing to your house a little bit as well. But all in all, working really well. You can see the grid. I just switch it off to make sure nothing's interfering. I want to make sure we're almost playing off grid. Oh, there's just a glimpse of the car at 8:30, and there's an hour later charging up electricity. On the left you can see in the middle the nice 2 kilowatt going in. Again, there's also nice clean kilowatt going in, taking the home battery to a nice 39%. Okay, so a couple of minutes over 2 hours, and the car says 5.3 kilowatt hour. So 4 kilowatt hour, it's what was given to the house. So the maths is, yeah, of course there's losses of 1.3 kilowatt hour, which is not too bad, I suppose. But there we go. Let's switch it off, and of course want to charge the car tomorrow. Still want to find the best way to stop charging. Of course, this will be one way. For the final summary, let's quickly go through the system, what we have at this stage. At the back we see there's a charger. I'll show you close up. There's the vehicle. I'm going to show you the V2L connection to the circuit breaker, and then also going to show you the inverter. Okay, let's have a look. There's the closer look to at the charger that was installed by Lawrence and his team with a cable. There's the cable that can of course go to the vehicle. That's now to charge when there's solar, when there's power on our system. And the other side that was installed yesterday will be the V2L ACC adapter to 3-point plug that will go then into the circuit breaker and to the inverter as our basic generator. There's our circuit breaker, and then running as a generator into the system. Okay, so full system, full circle system now. Almost full circle, where we can load the vehicle, and then if we need to, we can also load the batteries of the vehicle. So the conclusions. So can BYD replace a generator? I don't think it's a complete replacement yet, but surely it's a step in the right direction as proven tonight. Yes, there were some losses, but the EV produced 5.3 or 5.5 kilowatt and the house batteries gained 4 kilowatt, which is not all in all that bad. And especially load shedding at night, it's a great option to have your vehicle, your EV, as a backup generator as well. I've enjoyed this. Please hit the like, subscribe button and tell me what you are doing with your EV today.